Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone not receiving text. So if you have this problem in your iPhone, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. If your iPhone isn't receiving text message, it can feel like a big problem. After all, you could be missing out on something important, with most people communicating by nowadays with text. Not getting a text can be a big deal. So now just let's fix this issue. So first of all, make sure messaging is enabled. For that, click on settings and scroll down, click on messages and make sure that iMessage is also turned on. So once you have made sure that your messaging is enabled, and if it's still not working, the next step is make sure that you have a cellular data or Wi-Fi or connection is working. For that, you can go to YouTube or Safari browser to see if your internet connection is working. And if your internet connection is working, then the next step is turn on send as SMS. For that, you can click on settings, also go to messages, scroll down and turn on send as SMS. So as you can see, send as SMS when iMessage is unavailable. So once you have done this, and if it's still not working, then the next step is turn off message filtering. For that, click on settings, go to messages, scroll down and turn this off. So if you have turned this on, filter unknown sender, make sure that you turn this off. So once you have done this, and if it's still not working, then the last step is you have to reset your network setting. You won't lose any of your data. For that, click on general settings, click on general, scroll down, click on transfer and reset, click on reset, click on reset network setting, enter your passcode. This will only remove Wi-Fi password. I'll also reset your network setting. So once you have done this, you will start receiving text on your iPhone. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.